everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna tackle the playroom. This was a spur of a moment decision to go ahead and declutter it. I had this goal to make sure that we declutter those toys before Christmas comes, just so we have some space for any new toys that they might get. However, on that Sunday, both of my kids were a little sick, they had a little cold, and we were kind of stuck inside the house, so we decided to go for it. And as you can see, my daughter is handing me a tissue because she had a runny nose, so you're gonna see that throughout this video. But I wanted to make sure that I include my kids when we were doing this decluttering, and I did explain to them that we're getting rid of any toys that they do not play with, that they do not like. We will be donating anything that is useful to be donated, which you're gonna see at the end of this video that most of those things went straight to the garbage. They were not something that was reusable, but they did really well, especially my son. I was surprised. He was pretty easygoing about throwing things away that he really didn't use. My daughter, not so much. She's more of a person who likes to keep her toys, but towards the end of the video, you're gonna see that she did a really good job with sorting through her stuffed animals. So I have decided to get rid of one of those storage cabinets and put in a dresser from my daughter's room. We got her a twin-size bed and there just was not enough room for the dresser, so we decided to move it to the playroom. And this is what the room looked like. I didn't take it before shot from the very beginning, so I made sure that I got some over here. And as you can see, there's already 2 full garbage bags over there. I mean, we have stuff on the fridge. We have a lot of things piled up on this cabinet over here. So we wanted to make sure we go through all of those toys. I mean, there is a lot of toys. So next, I wanted to put in as many puzzles and any games into that dresser. So that's what I'm doing over here, and it took some organizing and moving to make sure that it all fits. They do have a lot of puzzles. I love puzzles myself, so I barely threw any of them away. And as I was sorting through those bins, I tried to organize it so it's similar items were in each bin. So like some bins were just for my daughter to have like her play jewelry and some scarves that she had. Another box had some medical kits that they both like to play with. So my daughter was mostly just playing. I tried to keep her from making a bigger mess than it already was when you're trying to organize. But at the end, what we have done is I asked her to help me with all those stuffed animals because she is the only one who plays with them. My son was never into stuffed animals, so I asked her to kind of go through it so she can sort it out. I did put some in a bin to take her to her bedroom because her bedroom doesn't have any toys, and we were just finishing up some remodeling in her bedroom, so we put some up there, and we did get rid of anything that she was not playing with. And this is how the room looks like after we were done, which I am very happy about. There is much less toys. There are few garbage bags full of things that are just beyond repair. It looks much more spacious, and kids already are enjoying it so much more because now they don't have to dig through the toys to find what they want. All the toys that they have left is actually stuff that they play with. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you next time.